Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to edit a video in CapCut app. So stick around until the end to learn all the essential steps and tips to create amazing videos with this powerful editing tool. So let's get started. Open the CapCut app in your device. To begin, simply click on New Project, which is at the top. Now this will take you into your photo gallery, where you can access your videos and photos. Now select the video clips that you want to add. And once you select the clips, you will see this add button, which is in the bottom right corner. Now click on this add button to include these videos in your project. Now that your clips are in the project, you will see them laid out in the timeline, and you can scroll through the timeline by dragging your finger. Now to get a better view of your clips, you can pinch to zoom out, and this will help you to see the entire sequence. And you can also pinch to zoom in, and this is going to help you to focus on a specific part of the detailed editing. And then if you need to rearrange the order of your video clip, you can simply click and hold on a clip and then drag it to the desired position in the timeline and then release your finger to drop the clip in its new spot. If you want to add more footage later, click on the plus button on the timeline and this will take you back to your albums where you can select the videos and then again click on the add button, and with that clip will be included in your project. Trimming your video is essential for a clean edit. For that, you can simply click on a clip in the timeline and you will see a thick white bar on the both sides of the clip. You can drag these bars to adjust where the clip starts or ends. And for more precise editing, you can scroll to the exact frame where you want the clip to begin. And in the menu, you will see this option of split. Tap on it and this will cut the clip at that exact point. And then you can delete any trivial sections. And if you want to remove a part from the middle of a clip, you can simply scroll to the spot where you want to make the first cut and then click the split button. Then again scroll to the point where you want the video to resume and again click on split option. And now this will create a separate middle section. Simply tap on this separate section and click on this delete option, and with that section will be deleted. And if you make a mistake, don't worry, you can easily undo these actions by clicking on this back button. This allows you to reverse your last steps without starting over. If you want to add text into your video, then start by tapping the text button, which is at the bottom of the screen, and then click on add text. Now you can enter the text you want, as CapCut offers a variety of fonts, so you can choose the one that matches your video style. And then you can also change the color of the text. And additionally, you can add a background to your text to make it stand out even more. You can customize your text by further adding animations, and once you're done with the editing, you can simply drag the text to the desired location and pinch your fingers to adjust the size. And you can also adjust the text duration on the screen by dragging the edges of the text layer in the timeline. Now to add captions to your video, next to this add to text button, you can see this option of auto captions. Click on it. Here you can see we have different options. The first is generate from. So basically this feature allows you to choose the source from which the captions are generated. And next we have templates, so you can choose the one you like. And then at the bottom you can see we have this option of generate. Tap on it, and with that, CapCut will automatically generate captions for you. And if you want to edit these captions, tap on the text and these templates will appear. These templates includes Pro 1 and free as well. You can explore all these available options. Now you can also add music in your video. For that, click on audio button, which is at the bottom of your screen, and then click on sounds to browse through the CapCut's music library. But remember that some music tracks are designed specifically for TikTok. So if you plan to share those videos on a platform like YouTube, you might encounter copyright issues. After you find a track you like, download it by clicking on this download button, and then click on this plus button to add this into your video. Now tap on the audio you just added, and you will see these different options in the menu, and click on this volume, and with this you will be able to control the volume to ensure it complements your video perfectly. You can then adjust where the music starts and ends. And to add stickers to your video, start by tapping the sticker button, which is located at the bottom of your screen. CapCut provides a wide range of stickers, including fun icons like subscribe buttons, arrows and emojis, and many others. And after selecting the sticker you want, you can resize it, reposition it on your video by dragging it with your fingers, and you can adjust the size and placement until you're happy with how it looks. Now for adding overlays, click on Add Overlay button. This feature allows you to layer one video clip on top of another. So choose the clip you want to use as your overlay, and then you can adjust its size and position to fit your needs. And this is particularly useful for creating reaction videos. CapCut also offers a wide selection of effects to enhance your video. And to explore these options, tap on the Effects button, and for the video, choose these video effects, and you will find a range of effects from playful and fun to more professional and polished effects. So select the effect you want to apply. In addition to effects, CapCut provides filters to change the overall aesthetic of your video. Filters can modify the color tone and mood, giving your video a unique style. To apply a filter, choose the one that best fits your vision, and then you can adjust its strength using the slider to fine-tune the appearance. For more precise control over your video's look, tap on Adjust button. This feature allows you to fine-tune specific aspects of your filter, such as brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. And by adjusting these settings, you can customize the filter to perfectly match the mood and style you're aiming for. And if you want to add transitions between clips, you can simply click on this white square with the black line. You can see all these transition effects. You can simply choose a transition effect to add a dynamic touch to your video. And you can also adjust how quickly or slowly the transition occurs. For that, move the slider to the right to make the transition faster for a snappy effect, or you can move the slider to the left to slow it down for a smoother and more gradual change. And once you have finished editing, simply click on the Export button in the top right corner to save your project to your photo gallery. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.